Hey guys, Island Garage back here again. We still have the same project Civic that you saw before when I put these seats in. We have a new headliner, carbon A-pillars, little stuff, but I haven't seen a lot of videos on YouTube about this. And I'm putting in keyless entry so I don't have to keep locking my doors manually and using this and all that other stuff. So you want to put automatic locks with the key fob on your Honda Civic, right? Cool. If you notice in here, your wiring, if you see, it's a green and white, and then there's a green and orange. If I can get the thing, there it is in focus. Now, I was taking forever to find this. I found it on some forums, but I didn't see a video on it. This is the green and orange, and then this is the green and white, okay? Now, if you look for the prongs, it goes into the bottom prong on the whole assembly, and then the bottom one right there, you see the white of that middle section. You can find this all the way. You may have to obviously remove your freaking kick panel. That's the harness plug where you are going to find your unlock and lock, which the orange and green does the unlock, the white and green does the lock. Should be. And then, of course, you might want to know that you're locking your car, so you might want to have your parking lights. This right here is your parking lights. Speckles, red and green. Red and black, sorry. And if you notice, it goes into that green plug. If you guys can see, yeah, I think I see it right in the focus right there. You see? It's red and black, and it goes into that green plug up there. If you have a power probe, you can stick it in and use that to find out. But that's how you get your parking lights. And then off this blue one, you have, this should be your unlock, and this should be your lock. I'll keep you guys updated, see how it goes. Okay guys, so here we are. We put in the module, we wired it up, and now we got the little key fob here. So whenever you press the unlock, it flashes the light, and then it opens right up. A lot easier than manually locking. I'll see you guys in the next video.